Hello, we are back for a long time. My name is Angelo.
Oh, I'm David.
And we are here to present our biggest video ever.
We have something on in the background. We should probably turn
Hang on, I'll go. You explain.
off. Angelo and I are going to be telling you who our favorite top 20 wrestlers are.
We are!
Okay.
We start off at 20.
Oh, okay.
So, and you can go first.
Okay, you're not even in the screen
I am not. You are correct. So, you go first.
anymore. Okay, so my number 20 pick is Booker T, or as he was once known, King Booker.
Really, my number 20 pick is Hulkamania Hulk Hogan. Shoot, there's something still.
Okay, now the television's off.
That's better.
Who did you pick?
Oh,
You don't have that
I said Hogan.
Hogan as number 20?
Yes.
That's ridiculous. Okay, number 19 for me is, well, it's the Big Show. Who you got, number 19?
Number 19.
Did I say 20 or 19? I meant 19.
Is Rhino.
Nice pick.
Thank you.
18, Jimmy Superfly Snuka. We have a cat going across.
Number 18.
I have cat ass in my face, so just give me a second. Number 17, Rey Mysterio.
I forgot him in my list, but he is number 21.
Okay, so we got 17.
Number 17 is Heath Slater. I am a huge fan of Heath.
It's good.
I think he should have received a huge push.
Number 16, who we haven't seen for a while, Triple H.
Since Mania. Number 16. Sorry, I'm looking down because we have a paper here.
Yeah.
Is Sting.
Good job.
Thank you.
15. He would be higher on my list, but I forgot him, so I just kind of added him at number 15. Randy Orton. Who got a 15?
Number 15. Mick Foley.
Good
Huge
choice.
fan.
We met him.
We have met him. Sim Sting.
Yeah, same Sting. 14. I'm not sure how I feel about him yet, although he is one of the best of all time, Shawn Michaels.
Yes. I have him higher. So, my number 14 is Finn Balor.
Okay. Good.
Heads up, he has him higher.
13. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Ooh, we met him too.
We did meet him too. Same time we met Mick Foley.
Yeah. Number 13 is Kurt Angle.
Number 12. Rowdy Piper.
It's Rowdy, not Rowdy. It's hard to say, I know. I'm kidding.
What else?
Was that number 11? 12?
No, number 12.
Oh. Number 12? I know he's never wrestled in the WWE before, but Kenny Omega.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Now, this is my number 11. I know it doesn't say. It says 10, but I messed up along the way here. So, my number 11 is Elias. I love Elias. He's hilarious.
He is one of my least favorites.
I love him.
So you will not see him on my list.
He's funny to me.
One time he said he was going to punch me in the face.
Not you personally. All the little kids.
Yeah.
Which isn't much better, but it was funny.
The Heartbreak Kid Shawn Michaels comes in at my number 11.
Okay, my number 10 is Rusev Day.
Aiden English or Rusev?
No, not Aiden English. Rusev.
We both don't like him. Aiden.
Okay.
What number was that again?
That was number 10.
Oh yeah, number 10 is Randy the Macho Man Savage. We're getting to the good ones, people.
Yeah, we are.
We are.
Okay, my number 9 is Kane. Old Kane, not new Kane. Old Kane.
So you would rather have an old Kane than a new Kane?
Wait a minute. The Kane that wrestled in the early 2000s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a Kane that wrestled?
All right. Who's your number? What number are we on?
9. Jeff Hardy. I was going to include Matt, but I thought no.
Number 8.
I'm not a Matt fan.
The underwear. What? Undertaker.
That makes me laugh. My number 8 is Edge.
Okay.
I'm a huge fan of him.
I know you are. My number 7 is Finn Balor.
Alright. Now we're going. Well, no, never mind. I'm going to say that later.
Okay.
Number 7 is Bautista.
Okay. Good choice.
Thank you.
My number 6 is Shinsuke Nakamura.
Oh, wrong way. Okay. Now I'm going to say it. We're getting into the current wrestlers.
Well,
For me.
Not me.
For me.
All mine are older, actually.
Number 6, Bobby Lashley.
Okay.
I'm a huge fan. I hope he's gonna win Extreme Rules.
My top 5, actually, are all wrestlers who are not currently wrestling. Although, no, I don't think any of them are wrestling. My number 5 is Goldberg. Not Duck. Not Gold Dust. Although he's not bad. He's not bad. Gold Duck. Goldberg. I like Goldberg.
Yeah.
You?
I'm a fan of him, but he's not good in the top 20.
Number 5.
Number 5? New Day, Kofi Kingston. Huge fan.
Good choice.
Hope Dave beats Sanity this Sunday.
What are we on? Number
4.
Number 3.
We're on number 4.
We're on number 4. You're right. Number 4 is. What did I say? Yeah, Sting. I was gonna go The Rock, but I'm gonna go with Sting. Sting is my number 4.
My number 4, he is not a fan of him at all, but Dean Ambrose.
No, I am not. Although he is a good wrestler. He's got a good character. Not a fan. My number 3 is The Rock. I had a choice between Sting and The Rock. I went back and forth. I'm going with The Rock at 3.
Number 3, he just reunited with Kane.
Wow.
Daniel Bryan!
Number 2, Andre the Giant.
I had a
Enough
huge...
said.
I had to pick between my number 1 pick and this guy. Number 2, Seth Rollins.
I like Seth Rollins.
Why didn't you put him in?
I don't like him that much. Number 1 of all time. Most people in my generation will say this guy is number 1, Hulk Hogan.
Number 1 is the phenomenal AJ Styles.
Oh, I'm just kidding. Okay, that's it.
That wraps up our video for later.
Press stop. Press stop.
See you later. Press stop. Press stop. Peace out.